What, Amanda? What are you eating? Amanda, what are you eating? Ice cream?
I don't like the sauce.
Hi, Daniel.
Hi.
How you doing? All right. Are you done, Cambria or Amanda? Right there on the table. Hi, Sarah.
Hi.
Hi, Cambria.
Hi.
Thank you for not talking with your mouth full. Check Devin out. You go, guy.
His name's Carl.
Almost did. Devin, did you have fun today?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Now let's see, drink the rest of your ice cream. I don't care.
I'll stole it.
Ice cream. You can't start drinking it.
We're just here having an ice cream, a couple sandwiches, some Doritos, playing with the balloons.